Please, raise your hand. Come on, raise it. And touch your nose. This simple activity can be difficult and even impossible for some stroke survivors. Stroke is the third cause of disability worldwide. 8 out of 10 survivors present hemiparesis, which is the weakness or inability to move one side of the body. We're talking about 8 million people each year having problems doing basic activities like walking, eating, or dressing. This is a global problem, but most importantly, 7 out of 10 strokes occur in low and middle income countries. This is a huge inequity, and this is what drove my work. We created a low-cost device to help these patients that are not getting treated in the public health systems because are challenged to the limit, so they can't provide proper rehabilitation. The device sends the movement of the able hand in white and replicates them in the unable hand in black. As you can see, the patient is treating himself, so now the therapist can supervise multiple patients at the same time, increasing the attention rate of the rehab unit. When we move the hand, we're sending a reverse signal to the brain, and thanks to neuroplasticity, new neural connections are created. Also, seeing the hand moving stimulates mirror neurons that learn by imitation. Rehabilitation robots have been around for more than 2 decades, 3 decades, so I'm convinced it's time to start massify them and start breaking the wall of stroke rehab inequity. Thanks.
Who can have access to these devices? How expensive is this?
Okay, we aim to place our product in the market for no more than $5,000, which is a price reduction of 93% comparing to one of the leading solutions today. So we aim to go to the hospitals because there's where our target people, it's attended, it's treated.
Following on that, how do you do that? Is it like cost targeting, or what's your business approach to this?
To aim for the low price?
Yes, exactly.
Yes, okay, we achieve the low price by fighting over engineering, main thing, using lean methodology, and eliminating non-essential functions. So we are like giving the basic to make the rehabilitation, which is the mechanical part of moving the hands, in an intense rate.
How long after a stroke do you use it?
You should start using it as soon as possible because you have 6 times to rehabilitate the 6 months.
Thank you, Martín.